Okay, welcome back, guys. This is King Diego. Welcome to my new tutorial. Another new tutorial. Uh, I'm going to teach you guys some. I'm going to flash back to our previous code that we wrote last time. Okay, our code was exactly this one, the way we write in our previous tutorial. Now, first, there are two things that I didn't mention: the space between here and your left margin. This space actually is what makes your work look presentable. Now you find that if somebody writes a code in one line, it will be hard for you to make correction on your program. You find that if we write this code like this, it looks like it's not presentable to me. But if you put a space by just pressing a tab is a button just above your caps lock. Now it will allow you to move right, to allow you to move your selected text or your code towards your right. Now another thing I didn't tell you is about this title, where it appears. I remember when I was introducing, I told you there was a title. Now the title is what is displayed. Let me run this program so that I will show you. Okay, the title is what appears just at the back above your Mozilla Firefox, okay, at the top. Now you realize that here at the top here you see my first code. This is what we call the title. Now this is what appears there. Okay, if you want to see this, if I put this each letter in a sentence case or a title case, then I save, then when I refresh you will see the difference, what happens. Okay, now another thing I forget to tell you is the source code. Now remember in our first tutorial I told you this code is what appears behind our display or in your browser. Now the code that is behind this display is exactly the same the way it is here. Now to view this code, I just right click on your browser anywhere, then view page source. Now if you view the page source, you will find that exactly this code is the same as what we have here. Now why is it that we don't see the code? It is because this is what we call the user interface, and the other side is what we call the source page, where your page originates from. But if we link now this to the server, you can view it, but you cannot access or you cannot edit anything from this point if we have linked to our servers. If we want to host our web, which it means that we cannot edit this code unless maybe somebody does something like hacking, but it's add. Okay, now I'm gonna take you through again another thing. I remember I told you we are going to do something known as a paragraph. We have editing features. Also we have editing features like bold, we have italicize, we have bold, italic, and we also have underline. These are the core features that we are going to deal at this tutorial. Now let's introduce a paragraph. Now what paragraph, okay, just press tab. Paragraph is a text that explains about your page. Okay, let's write a few small paragraph. Welcome to my first tutorial. Sorry, to my first tutorial. Welcome to my first tutorial 2017. Okay, there is also something known as a break. Break is used to BR stands for break, which means if you want to end your line or to move your line downwards, you just type this opening braces and then put your BR in between, then just close. Remember that break does not require you to open or close. Now we are going to type our paragraph. Now, welcome to 2017 tutorial. Expect to learn more. More about the HTML code. Then let's break again. BR. Okay, I remember when I was started doing this tutorial, remember that this was I remembered I put the closing this front slash at the back. I had just forgot about it, and I was remembering about the break command. So now break, you realize that it has front slash at the end, but you find closing tag like a body HTML. Now it has what we call a front slash just at the front before the actual text or actual tag. Now we continue with our text. I expect you to learn more about HTML code. Okay, welcome. Okay, that is our paragraph. Now let me close our paragraph. Now after closing our paragraph, you will realize save. Let me save our work. Now this is our paragraph, and then we have the break command. Now if I run this code, you will find that this paragraph is going to appear just after this heading 2. Okay, let me run again, or just press Control Shift Alternate and X for Mozilla. Now let's take a look. Now you find that this is our paragraph. Now our paragraph is just like just a plain text, no bold, no anything. Now you find that we can do some manipulation. Okay, we can have some text editing features like bold, italic, underline. Okay, now let's do like welcome to to my first tutorial 2017. Now let me bold. You just do like that. This is how to bold in HTML. Okay, sorry, you have to close B. This is how to bold. Now what it will be bolded is only 2017. Now if I save my work and just refresh this, you will see that 2017 has changed. It has been bolded. Now another thing is underlining. Underline. Okay, underline, you just do the same thing and just type U. Okay, now save, just refresh. Now you find that my paragraph learn more has been underlined. Now there is also one thing I'm about to show you guys. There is more things that I have to show you. There is what we call under italic. Now italic, you just write I. Okay, in HTML, remember that it is a programming language. It doesn't mean that you have to write all we use initials. Okay, you don't need to write the word italic, but we use initial, like I for italic, U for underline, B for bold, and many more. I'm gonna teach you more, guys, as we continue. Okay, now let me save this, refresh again. See, my HTML has been italicized. Now let's do another thing called center. Let's center our work. Now remember, when you are browsing on your net, you don't find that your information is at the center of your or at the center of your page. Now let us center our paragraph. Now at where the P is, put a space, use a command called align, and then just put an align equal sign, then open your speech mark, say center. Now save, then refresh. Now you'll find that our title is aligned at your left hand. Okay, I remember I said this left or right, but this is left. Is aligned at your left. By default, if you do not give a command to align, it will be aligned by default to left. Now this is how it will appear when you say align left. Then there are many other features. Now if we say align right, what will happen? Let's just take a look. If we say align right, okay, and save, and then refresh our Mozilla Firefox, you see our text has been aligned to the right of our browser. Now another thing is aligning to the left is just by default, but we can say align left, and save. Let's take a look. If we refresh, what do we see? It will go to the left now, but we want our work to be aligned at the center. Now we just type center, and also you realize that most of the time we find title goes together with our text, goes together with our paragraph. Now the title, the heading of our paragraph should go together with our text. Now I want also this one. I will apply the same align equals to, then open your speech mark, say center. Now save, then refresh my. Okay, now this is my page. Then also I'm gonna show you guys how to draw a line. Okay, I can underline this one to show the difference that this is or basically change the color. I'll show you also that doing about the colors. Let me put down that color. And then there is what we call select, among others. I will show you that in my next tutorial. Otherwise guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like. Thank you. See you next time.